Hi guys, welcome to my kitchen. The first smoothie of the day is yogurt fruit smoothie. So all we need is some yogurt, strawberries, bananas and some honey. The best time to consume this smoothie is early morning, breakfast, whatever suits you. So we take some yogurt, some strawberries, frozen banana, and yes, little honey if you would like. And the smoothie is ready. Let me just taste it now. Reminds me of my healthy breakfast. Our second smoothie is the detox smoothie, which is kale and pineapple smoothie. Let's have a look at the ingredients. So I've already blended 2 cups of kale, frozen pineapples, frozen kiwi, and some lime. So this is 2 cups of kale. So we take the blended kale, we add the frozen pineapples, frozen kiwi, and we squeeze half a lemon. And now my favorite part, blend. This is thick, and we can now garnish it with some frozen pineapples on the top. So our second very healthy kale pineapple smoothie is ready, and I'm sure some of y'all would actually want to add some honey to it, but I would say look back to your New Year resolution. You gotta get healthy this year. Have it without the honey. So the third and unfortunately the last smoothie that we're making is the protein smoothie. And this one is my personal favorite. So come on. The ingredients we need are some chilled slim milk, muesli, frozen bananas, 1 scoop of chocolate protein powder, 1 tablespoon of peanut butter, some dark chocolate to garnish, and some unsweetened cocoa powder. Let's see. This is slim milk, 1 tablespoon of unsweetened cocoa powder, some muesli, 1 frozen banana, 1 scoop chocolate protein powder, and 1 spoon of peanut butter. Now we blend all of this together. We just need to add a little bit of dark chocolate to garnish it, and it definitely adds to the taste of it.